Hello, my darlings. I hope everyone is doing wonderful. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. Another amazing adventure today, 5 Under 5, hosted by my amazing friends, Emily, Missy, and this month co-hosted Amanda. Emily, Farm Charm Chic, if you haven't visited her channel by now, please do so. She's super talented and amazing lady. Crafty Cove Missy, amazing creation, amazing person, and please visit her channel if you haven't do so by now. And Amanda, 6 kids and a glue gun and a super amazing home decor along with my super talented amazing creators, part of the playlist, link in my description box. So let's just jump into my creations. Today I'm gonna show you how to create beautiful minis for a Christmas tier tray. I'm using this mini Christmas tree from Dollar Tree. After I remove that sparkly garland, I'm gonna cover it up with a mesh twine. But before that, I'm just covering it with the twine, because if I just use just the twine, you're gonna see all those green plastic under it. So that's why I decided just to cover it with a mesh. And now I'm just making a little loops from my mesh tube, and I'm gonna glue them all over the mini Christmas tree, just like so, making them like a oval loop, and just going all over it. I hope everyone is getting excited for Christmas and preparation and all that. So when my Christmas tree is done, I'm using a lighter just to get rid of the extra pieces from the hot glue that they're all over it, and from the twine as well, just like that. Now I'm using one wooden snowflake. I put a toothpick and then another snowflake on top, and I'm just gonna glue them as a topper for my tree, and I'm just making it sturdy with more twine on top of that. And my first project is done. What do you think? Super cute and farmhouse. DIY number 2, I got this mini cutlery board from Dollar Tree. I'm painted with a white Waverly chalk paint. When it's dry, I just sand it off, and now I'm using a HO stencil so we can have a nice Christmas sign. I just used the hat from that stencil and the letters HO from the wooden letters from Dollar Tree. Next, I'm making a hole on top of that, just like that. And now I'm gonna glue the letters, and it's gonna say ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. What do you think? Next, I'm adding this mini signs from Walmart, purchased from Walmart, and I'm just gonna put it on top of my cutlery mini board. And before that, I'm just making lines on my sign. You guys remember I love to make signs with the stitching lines. And to give more details, and I wrote it ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. Super cute. What do you think? Next project, I'm using this mini truck from Dollar Tree, and I'm painting it with the ink Waverly chalk paint, just like that, leaving the windows and the tires white. Christmas tree with the moss Waverly chalk paint. And now I'm just using a white paint just to cover that Mary, where it says Mary. And now I'm making stitching lines as well on this one, on my truck, on the corners, just like that, so it can come out super cute. I'm really liking it. So I'm just using the white Waverly chalk paint. And now for the tree, I want to add more details, so I'm adding more greeneries. And also I made a mini wreath and added some beads on top with a mini bow, and on top of it I'm adding more branches is a Christmas tree, and our truck is ready to deliver some Christmas tree. Super cute. What do you think? DIY number 4, I'm using one of those mini house plaques from Dollar Tree. I'm covering it with one of a scrapbook sheet and a Mod Podge, just like that. And now I'm using one of those trees from Dollar Tree. I painted with white Waverly chalk pen just to get rid of that sparkly. Added some mini wooden reindeers, added a twine bow and a mini pine cone on top of it, and adding a Mary wooden sign painted with a truffle, going all over with a truffle, and here you go, super cute. And for my final DIY number 5, I'm using one of those frames from Dollar Tree, a scrapbook sheet as well, and one of those mini signs with the reindeer, galvanized reindeer from Walmart. And I'm just gonna make a nice mini beautiful farmhouse looking sign, covering the frame with a white Waverly chalk paint, removing it with a baby wipe so we can have that rusty farmhouse looking. And on top I'm just adding some branches with the ornaments and a pine cone, and that's about it. And here is the final reveal from all my cute mini projects for Christmas tier tray. I'm really loving them. They're super easy to be made, and I had so much fun creating them, and I hope you like them too, and you're gonna recreate some of this. I hope I gave you some inspiration for your Christmas home decor, farmhouse looking, and let me know what do you think. And before I let you go, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Don't forget to check out the hosts and the playlist with my amazing friends. Bye-bye.